camera. So some man in a life. When you don't reach now the late 30s, down the late 40s, right? No means to be with no evil man. I wanna just vibe with you. Hey, I'm More Nation, and I don't know, it is another vlog week, and today is Sunday, and I am going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. I feel like I am due for a reset day, so today we are heading to the beach. Yeah, I would have preferred a river, honestly, but due to time constraints, and that just means us leaving out a little bit too late, I'm going to have to settle for the beach. What I can't find what I look for right now. As I said, guys, I have been needing, wanting, desperately longing to go to water. So at this point, it don't even matter if it's a beach or a river. I just want to see the water. I just want to go in it. I know that we are going to be having a blast of a summer this year. It is going to be super hot. They claim that, guys, we're going to be having this El Nino summer, whatever that is. The only thing we get from it is we're gonna go through a heat wave in Jamaica. I am definitely not prepared for that. I hate when it's super hot. I don't mind a nice cool weather, you know, not too hot, not too cold. That's the perfect temperature for me. When it get too hot, we get really miserable. And we are now in the month of May, and we're going to be entering June pretty soon, and I'm not gonna lie, I can already feel the heat, especially in the midday. Anyway, we're gonna make the best of it. I guess you guys will be getting a lot of beach and river vlogs, because me now play with the heat. We're going to one of my favorite beaches, and that is the Bob Marley Beach. Let's not do the whole heap of blabbering. Come along with me. We're going to Bob Marley Beach today, and you know it's always going to be a vibe when you're hanging out with Alicia and More TV. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a real OG subscriber, hey, we're going on the beach soon. Make sure you keep it locked. Y'all are gonna want to be a part of this venture. Alright, boom. You feel your visa, make you fly you regular. Never showed on my outfit of the day. I wore this dress before, I mean in a vlog like years ago, probably like 2 years ago. I got this dress and I only wore it once, and I'm gonna wear it again. I have a lot of clothes I only wear once, and these days I'm just trying to wear my damn clothes. Alright, I have this tendency to wear something one time, I just always feel like something I really want to wear it again for a long time. But yeah, perfect. We're going to Bob Marley Beach. More feel like authentic vibe. I saw this, I was just like, yeah, let's get it popping. And the next thing is, I don't really have a lot of clothes where I am in the country. I'm alright with that, you know, because I don't really do a lot of, you know, it's mostly beach things. But I think what I gonna do, I go, hold on there, guys, I have to catch the view. And you know what, my side, my camera battery depend on the low end. I have to shoot the video, guys, with my phone most of the way. My camera battery, like, it's really low. Whenever I'm gonna see, I am back with my natural hair, and yeah. We'll talk to you about that in our life update here. I'm kind of glad so that way that if I'm going out the water, I can actually get it wet. But bring my food because yeah, I don't know what kind of food they have out here. I never really ate out here before. Just mostly enjoy the river and drinks. But I'm bring my food for when I'm hungry because y'all know I like to eat, right? And we're about to have a good time. Okay, let's go. Let's flow.
Long as a woman, I will be there. Keep on talking, make your wine come me. Keep on talking, make your take care of me. Me feel it, and me feel it. Oh, me have to really squeeze it. Y'all me want to hold ya. Put me arms right around ya. Y'all give me kind of hold me as I get into my life. Y'all me just want to squeeze ya. Put me things all around ya. Y'all give me the kindest hold me as I get in my life. Cash hop hot, why you want tax? Me Rolex on a cheap price on top. Me white like sand, crypto pass. Millions, billions,
boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and humble like a lamb. Tell them no continue. Good on a manual road. She willing for back.
One little note about Bob Marley Beach, or something like a note about Bob Marley Beach. Most of the times when I'm here, I noticed that a lot of Rastafarians are always over here. So I was wondering if it's because it's named Bob Marley, why, you know, the Rastafarians just always feel comfortable to come over here. Or my other guess is just because Bulbi has a strong Rastafarian culture. You know, you have the Naya Bindi Hill and the Bobo Shanti Hill and all of the hills them with the, you know, the strong Rasta culture. That could very well be it, but I just always notice that there's always like a lot of Rastafarians on the beach. Another thing that I really enjoy about Bob Marley Beach, it just have like a family vibe to it. There's always a lot of friends and families hanging out, enjoying the water. If family beside me having a birthday party, it's good. It just makes you see, you know, the type of vibe we can have on Bob Marley Beach and see family celebrating good moments. Yes, here it stands. But here I get wet yet. The water is a little bit rougher on the east side than it is in the other parishes, but I don't know, something about the calmness of Bob Marley Beach that I like. You can always come out here and hold a meditation. I mean, you can do that at any beach, you know, any water themed area, river, beach, but I don't know. I mean, remember, I go away with a beach and river, guys. There's just something majestic about Bob Marley. always want to get my head like completely under the water, but a lot of the times when I go to the beaches and the rivers, I have wigs on. And even though I always get it wet, I'm not really, it's been a while since I've went to a beach or a river and just completely dive my entire head under the water. And even though I just washed my hair like a few days ago, I know I'm going to get it wet, and that's why I'm just there, I just want to relax and I just enjoy the like vibe before I get into that water, because I know once I come in that water, everything about me is going to get wet. I'm having some sorrel beer. We're keeping it light. Here's my one that you can catch a picture of. Why is this a baby thing? Why is that big? Nah, it's not tiny thing, catch. It's like that's like that one was spread. Nobody can spread. I want to give so much inspiration musically too. That's what I like, and I think that's a part of the reason why music is such a big thing in Brazil as well. Like you have someone who really based on East Side. You have Skinny Bang. Bob Marley represents East Side clearly. He did a lot of music out here, Go out here, river, go wash my dread. And if y'all know that song, where K River is basically in Brazil and Thomas. So Bob Marley has a lot of history in this side, on the East Side. That's why he makes so much songs about this region, and they name that entire beach off him. You can tell they presents it loud in this place, so. And then you have a whole lot more greats, check history about some of the old school artists that would be aside and come from some of the biggest dancehall and reggae artists from like way back, So the inspiration is definitely here in the East Side. I mean, I think everything has to do with nature. They can, there's so much good scenery over here where you can just all amend, and it just helps you to meditate and present your creativity to its best. And I think also that is what is inspiring me in this area. When your creativity comes out at its all-time high, it just makes you feel bold, it just makes you feel comfortable and ready for the world. That's how I feel. Big up the East Side, but definitely see how Connie Clark could have even be inspired to write a song like Rather Than on the Hillside. That's tough. A lot of the hills out here. If you're very appreciative of life, then you'll definitely appreciate the hills, the movements, everything. You get used to the tractors, the community people, them have to go through a lot of noise pollution where, the truck affects them and things, but they live through it. So big up a way for that, for sure. I wanted to use my big camera on the beach, but unfortunately, battery dead. Yeah. And what me at right now is crazy because people probably think me and chat to myself because I'm sitting here with this camera and I don't normally, get that bored with vlogging. But this is what it is. This is how I feel. I'm going to keep the atmosphere a little bit more. Want all that good meditation, change out of this dress, get into my barely there attire right now. Show me. Let's see how it goes. Cause you don't know. We don't want to be too rude on the internet because we might get restricted for that or flagged for that. So yeah.
Chewing for back store. Can you make that roll? I dance all no. Look that only one man, she no need option. Position who she
Select your hand.
sit down, she a jabba. She bang, she want. We are it rough, not tender touch. She want that turn around, I bet you say you want.
The thing is, the bikini is so revealing. When someone have on, I don't want to do that. The things I pass with inside. I want too much of the goodness outside. So I feel like I could go inside of the water in my dress and just use my towel because I get wet. I'm drinking sand and Red Bull.
You say you want, and let me deal with your body like a surgeon.
Before we put them dry out, dusty and rusty because the sand is really dusty. I like the type of music that they play over here. You don't expect nothing less. It's Bob Marley Beach. So they're playing a lot of roots, rock, reggae, and I know that attracts a lot of creative people as well. So I see all different type of personalities, and that is really, really good. I'm really happy that this side of Bombay can attract you know, so many different types of, you know, classes in Jamaica, and that is important. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to finish what the beach and thing. Yeah, going on my dress. Well, listen. But I go too far because I can't sit down.
Just.
And I don't want to.
Yo, hey, what a girl can ride. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I. I saw she slip, I saw she slide on. I'm like,
every single time, guys, we come at the beach, I'm gonna try to go to the beach. The beach water specifically is always a try to. But now I'm gonna go from the top, guys. That's too hard. Where's my slippers? Alright, we're gonna go down at the.
I make up inside, oh. Hey, what a girl can ride, oh. Hey, what a girl can ride. I saw she slip, I saw she slide, oh. I make me inside, oh.
So guys, my there, yeah, chillax. We're going to one different spot actually, because we don't know, we just have to see vibes. Up there's alright, but I wait for night, because up there is really active. A lot is going on up there, and so yeah, I guess it's time to go. I want to this bank time. I see some man in my life. When I reach it now in the late 30s, down in the late 40s, that I talk about. But when time I did it in my 20s and in my teens, and I school from me, I 12 from my area. I mean, I think no man when I reach in the 40s, down the come with pop themselves. When I do two pop, when I start complaining about the back of earth, down the knee, mash up on the hands, strain for days, for weeks, so they can't move because you know wine out and dine out the whole on the waistline from me down the teens. Guys, I forgot to continue the conversation. Come on back to the beach, but I just say when they're coming out on a big old age, and then in the meantime, and we're still active, I was still strong and them something there. Yeah, you don't want to come talk on the old story time. That's why enough for the man them. I mean, most of this I got at a lot of people when I say, but that's the truth. Alright guys, so we're back from the beach, but we never buy no food, so we never get for sure now. But I had gotten like a whole bag of, I don't know how much pound it, but maybe get some sprat while coming over. So yeah, I guess you guys will see me in another vlog frying these sprat. Maybe they're gonna make, I don't know, maybe we can chance it with some festival or something to go with it. Maybe put it in the fridge, but I'm take it over just to show us. I never got to buy any food. I didn't want to go to the restaurant now, guys, because they actually sell food over there. But I didn't want to go in there and do a glimpse of that. But it never worked out. Just because I kind of did forget. But yeah, I still ended up getting some sprat, and I'm going to do this in our next vlog, so I can look out for that. Alright. Oh yeah, also guys, I know me that talk to you about something in another vlog and then it cut off. But I'm gonna also continue that conversation in another vlog when we do my live update video. We'll elaborate a little bit on that. Alright, we're gonna sit down and do a little chit chat and all of the conversation them when we never finish in another vlog here, because we were on the move, so I know that enough of the conversation kind of start and stop without an ending. But I'm gonna definitely do that in my next vlog coming up. Now make sure I make a note of the things I want me to talk about, and then just like completely have a whole sit down skincare chit chat video with you guys. All right, so see you guys in my next vlog. Love you, Amor Nation. Alice, amor.